One of the most important rules in German word order is that the verb always is in second place. So imagine the subject is the big t-shirt and the verb is the little t-shirt. Then the verb, the little t-shirt, has to be the second item on the washing line. And the subject comes first. So I show you a really basic sentence. 3 words. Ich heiße Angelika. Ich is the subject and the verb is heiße. And then comes anything else. In this case it's only Angelika because it's only a 3-word sentence. If I wanted to tell you the name of my daughter, I would say meine Tochter heißt Katie. Just to show you that I did say earlier on the verb is in second place. It is not the second word. It may be, because when I said ich heiße Angelika, there was only 1 word. But here we have 2 words before it. And those 2 words cannot be separated. My daughter is called Katie. Now in English we wouldn't separate my daughter either. I wouldn't say my is called daughter Katie. And we can't do the same in German either. I can't say meine heißt Tochter Katie. And if I wanted to describe my daughter and saying my beautiful daughter or my grown-up daughter, all those words still need to stick together because they are in first place and they cannot be separated. So meine Tochter is in first place, heißt is the second place for the verb, and then Katie because again it's a very short sentence. And that's the rule of this video. Very important. The verb is always in second place, except unless a different rule puts it somewhere else. We will cover all these rules at some stage, but the most important rule really is, if there isn't another rule, which you've learned, then the verb goes in second place. That was easy, wasn't it?